Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn about one more important service in AWS. Now, let's say we want a service to which we focus on message distribution. What? We're focusing on message distribution to multiple destinations like multiple customers without focusing on storing of our message data. So that's our current scenario. I need a service in AWS to distribute my messages to multiple destinations without storing our data. So whoever already seen SQL service, they know that we can able to store the data by using that SQL service. We can able to store the data and process the message at least once. This SQS focus on this thing, that is storing the data and processing the data at least once. But for message distribution to multiple consumers without focusing on storing the message, is this SQS is preferred? The answer for that is no. We cannot prefer this SQS for distributing to multiple consumers. Here also you can see in figure, you can able to observe, we can able to deliver to single destination or consumer at a time. A single message we can able to deliver to a single customer at a time. But whenever a user is accessing, since that message enters into timeout state, other customers cannot able to access that same message at the same time. Now what we are expecting, we want a service which focus on message distribution to multiple consumers. So we want that type of service. So for this scenario, that is a message distribution to multiple consumers without storing, we have one AWS service to prefer. That service name is SNS. What is that service? SNS. So when do we prefer this SNS? If we want to distribute our message to multiple destinations or consumers without focusing on message storing, then we need to prefer this SNS. Even if you observe this figure, then this figure also provides you that information. It will take the message and distribute the message across multiple consumers, right? Yes. Now let's see how the process it will distribute to, or how the process will happen in SNS. You can see this is how the process will happen in SNS. This is how the process of distribution happens in SNS. Basically, publisher will create a message and publish that message in our SNS topic. Here we use SNS topic as a buffer to move our message from published consumer to multiple publisher to multiple subscribers. Here we are having subscribers, not consumers. So if we recap the terminology of SQS, there we use SQS queue to store our message, where in SNS we are using a buffer storage, that is SNS topic, and we publish our message in our SNS topic, then this message got pushed or published to multiple subscribers who subscribe to this topic. So this is how the distribution process happens in your SNS. One more important comparison between SQS and SNS here is this SNS do not store, this SNS topic does not store your message. It just acts like a buffer. Whereas your SQS will store your messages up to that retention period of time. Now, in SQS, at least once your message is processed, but in SNS, there will be no guarantee for that. But in if you use this SNS, then you can able to distribute your message to multiple subscribers. You can able to distribute your message to multiple subscribers. So whenever a publisher published a message to this SNS topic, then that message is pushed or published to multiple subscribers. So when it will be pushed, sir, when the subscribers previously need to subscribe to that topic, subscribers need to subscribe previously. Now let us see some more detail about this message. So how many types of messages do we can transmit in real time? Publisher can publish real time messages. What type of real time messages does this publisher can publish in SNS topics, sir? So basically in real time, two types of messages, that is transition processing messages and promotion based messages. So basically this publisher will publish these two types of messages in SNS topic. He will publish this transition processing messages during transition time. That is if you use e-commerce websites, then during the message generated during that processing of your e-commerce website or transaction processing on your e-commerce website, we call them as transition processing. Other messages like promotion based messages also publisher can able to publish in your SNS topic, and whoever the subscribers subscribe to that topic can able to see that message, because this SNS topic can publish that message to subscribers. So that's what happened. So this is about message types. Now let's see some more detail about subscribers types. These subscribers may be AWS services, like the subscribers may be Lambda function, or these subscribers may be a web-based interfaces like HTTP endpoints or HTTPS endpoints also, or these subscribers may be email addresses. That means we can able to send the or publish or push the message to particular email addresses. So if you want to send these published messages to mobile numbers, that is to in the form of text messages, then that also available, that is by using SMS you can able to send that. Let's say you want to send to particular subscribers like mobile devices or desktop devices, then you can able to push notifications by using push notification based, by using the subscribers type as push notifications based subscribers. We can able to push the notifications to or push these messages or publish these messages to mobile devices or desktop devices as well. So this is about subscribers type. We have discussed message type and process of distribution and subscribers type, and what is the major need of this major use case or major suitable scenario of this SNS. Now we will discuss some more detail about this message size. By default, you can see by default we can able to send maximum of 256 kbs by using this SNS. By using SNS, max we can able to send up to 256 kbs. But whenever you're publishing your messages, to SQS or from to SNS topic or from SNS topic to your subscribers, what happens is your message is breaks into 64 kbs of chunks, and then this SNS will deal with that chunks, that 64 kb of chunks as a individual request and send that message to your subscribers. This is how the process internally happens by using that SNS through that message. Now we can also even able to store up to 2 GB of messages. That means we can even able to send 2 GB of messages through SNS by integrating with S3 service. So how it will happen, sir? We just put our messages in S3 up to 2 GB, and then we put our references in SNS topic to refer that particular object that we put under S3. We just put the references in SNS topic. Then whenever object is, we publish the object in S3 by using SNS extended client library. By using this SNS client extended library of Java, we can able to publish messages of size which are larger than 256 kbs and up to 2 gbs in S3 bucket, and we can able to put our references in S3 topics. So this is how we can put files which are larger than 256 kbs and up to 2 gbs in SNS topic. We just put the references in SNS topic where we actually publish our message in S3 bucket. So how it will be done? By using SNS extended client library for Java. So this is how putting will be happen for the files which are larger, that is messages which are larger than 256 kbs. And the referring, that means publishing to subscribers also happen in the same way by using this SNS extended client library. By using this only, we will publish the messages to subscribers as well. And one more important point, let's say some of consumers require, some of subscribers in my SNS topic require some amount of data, not all amount of data. Then we have an option, that is subscriber filter policy. By using this subscriber filter policy, we can able to filter only exactly some messages which are present in my, which are published to my SQS SNS topic. In this way, we can even eliminate getting all the messages to all the subscribers. Let's say you have multiple subscribers where those subscribers need particular format of data or particular type of data. Then we can able to write, we can able to filter our messages based on that particular subscription filter policy. By attaching particular subscription filter policy, we can able to get that particular data. In this particular subscription filter policy, we write this in the form of JSON format. In that JSON format, we specify exactly what messages we want by using attributes. Based on attributes only, this SNS will filter all the messages which are published to your SNS topic. Then those will be distributed or those will be published to your subscribers based on attributes that you provided in JSON format, that is in your subscription filter policy. So by using this subscription filter policy, you can able to avoid creating multiple topics as well. And one more point here I'd like to specify is, whenever you send, that is this SNS topic will send, this SNS topic will send messages, or we can say we publish message to our topic. Then based on this subscription filter policy, our messages are filtered in SNS, and then they will be pushed or published to our subscribers. And now let us see how to use this SNS to provide or to publish a single message to multiple subscribers. That is how to publish by using SQS, how to publish a single message, or you can say how to implement this SQS enhanced fanout mode. We can implement this SQS enhanced fanout mode by using SNS. We just push our, or we just publish our message in SNS topic. by using this SQS, then that will be published or pushed to multiple subscribers by using this SNS topic. This is how the enhanced fan out mode will be established to your SQS service in real time. Now let's discuss what happened if client or server side errors happens. So while your message is published to your subscribers, what happens if your client side errors or server side errors happens? Then whenever you publish your topic to SNS topic, or you publish your message to subscribers, and in middle you got some client side errors or server side errors, then your message will be moved to DLQ, that is a dead letter queue, where this dead letter queue is of SQS type. You can able to analyze that and debug that, and you can able to use the retrain capability as well to put the message in SQS and do further processing. And so in this way you can even able to use the advantage of this DLQ. When in other scenarios, when do my SNS topic messages will be published to this DLQ, sir? When the message deliver, when the message delivery policy is exhausted. Whenever the message delivery policy is exhausted, then also your message will be put under this dead letter queue, where you can able to analyze that and debug that, and you can able to do further process for that message in the dead letter queue itself. So this is how this SNS also uses these advantages of this dead letter queue in order to overcome client side or server side errors and message delivery retrieve policy exhausted issue. Now this is all about our SNS topic. So I hope you got some knowledge. Now let's see a basic comparison between SQS and SNS and wind up this. Now the basic comparison is this SNS is suitable for message distribution to multiple destinations without focusing on storing. Whereas this SQS focus on storing your data and message processing. It will process it will focus on the scenarios that you need to process the message at least once. Then you need to prefer this SQS, because it even provides you storing facility till the processing is not completed. And here in SNS, it will focus on distributing your message to or publishing your message to multiple subscribers. You can see that delivery, this will be push based delivery SNS, whereas this SQS is a pool based delivery. This is active SQS, whereas this is passive. We need to implement this SQS SNS. Coming to message storing persistence, I've already told you it does not focus on storing. It's a buffer based storage SNS is, so that's why it does not provide message storing persistency. Whereas SQS can able to store the data, store the message, so it can provide you message persistency by storage. Coming to producers and consumers, we call producers as publishers in this SNS topic, and subscribers as consumers. Consumers as subscribers in this SNS topic. Whereas in SQS, we call producers as senders and consumers as receivers. By using send a message, we can able to send or produce the data, whereas by using receive message, we can able to consume the data in SNS topic. SNS, sorry, SQS queue. So this is the major comparison between SNS and SQS. And so this is about a basic scenario where we use SNS and basic scenario where we use SQS, and the process of public distribution happens in this way. And in detail about our subscriber types and message related data. And we have also seen how to implement this SQS enhanced fan out mode by using this SNS topic. And we also seen how to filter our messages based on subscription filter policy. We have also seen taking the advantage of DLQ by using this SNS. And we have also seen the basic comparison between SQS and SNS. So I hope that you understood this video and you got a good knowledge on where do we use this SNS other than SQL service. I hope this video is contentful. If you feel this video is contentful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest update. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye, guys.